Open this one first. The red one. Where's the red one? Yeah. Okay. Go get the red one. Open it. That's from Teacher April. Open. Wow, what's that? Open. Sige. Sige. What's that? What's that? Wow. What's that? That is what's that? What? What's that? Yes. Oh, open na. Sige, open pa. Everything. That's from Teacher April. Learn to draw shapes. Uy, it's a book. Wow, nice. Wow, very nice. Sige, more pa, more. More pa, open. More pa. Which one you want? That one. Okay, open it. Ayan. Okay, open this one first. Oh, sige, open. Sige. From Kuya Kakail. You can open it. Just, sige, open. Sige. Oh. Wow, what's that?
Toy.
What kind of toy?
Toy na.
What kind of toy is that?
Wow.
Wow.
Toy.
Toy. That's what's that? What kind of toy is that?
Wow.
What kind of toy is that?
Bob the Bower.
Bob the Bower.
Oh, Bob the Bower.
Okay. There's a truck.
Dali makasya, oh. Dali makasya.
The other one pa, there's still more. The blue one from Ninang Simple. Open it. From Ninang Simple. Go get.
Dali makasya, oh.
Later na. Later na. Open first that other one pa, oh. There's still more. You still have more gift pa, oh. From Ninang Simple, oh. That one, oh. Dali, open. Dali. Yes. Open. Wow. What's that?
Gift for Ninang.
From Ninang Simple.
Truck.
Have more pa. Open. That one pa. Sige. Same. Wow. Bob the Bower again. Ha ha ha. Bob the Bower. Oh. Oh.
Dali makasya. Wow.
Wow.
I've done the Bob the Bower.
One more there from Lulu. From Lulu. Oh, sige, open. Sige, open.
Dali makasya.
Open. Bigib, come here. Oh.
Wow.
Sige, open.
Dali makasya.
No. Wow! What's that? Open. What's that? Oh.
Tito Dodoy's car.
Tito Doydoy's car.
Wala, plenty of car, oh.
Wow, you have a lot of toys. Wow.
Look lah. Look, lady, oh. Eh, oh.
Oh, grabe, puro toys.
Ready na ako. Wow, oh. Tanda, oh. Remy?
That's all for you.
Remy?
Oo.
Spoon. Dali makasya.
Which
Yeah, that one you can go. You can write.
this one, oh, you can write in here, oh, you can write You can draw shapes.